Bitcoin has fallen below 20,000. It hits a 2-month low as crypto market itself, the entire crypto market, shed $70 billion in a day. So we had this flash crash, this crypto market crash. Now what happens? What are we in store for next? Well, Bitcoin took a serious hit, as we mentioned, dumping by almost $2,000 to chart a 2-month low beneath 20,000. At the time of this recording, we're sitting at 19,900, still down 8.5% in the last 24 hours. Altcoins are in no better shape, with Ethereum, Doge, Sol, LTC, and many others slumping by 10 to 15% in the day as well. And BTC has dumped hard, which of course we know this has a drastic impact on the overall crypto market. When 60% of the market, which is Bitcoin, dumps, everything else kind of follows. The past several days have not gone well for crypto in general, because it was last Friday when it dropped from 23.5 to 22,000 out of nowhere as the Silvergate issues came to light. And despite recovering some ground, maybe a little bit of a bear trap following in the next days, it was unable to fully overcome 22,500. The landscape here has prompted to change midweek as Federal Chair Jerome Powell spoke to Congress. This led to some more volatility in the cryptocurrency markets, but overall, Bitcoin remained around 22,000. Nevertheless, the change that the bears wanted to see came yesterday as Bitcoin plummeted from almost 22,000 to under 19,900 at its low point. Thus, the cryptocurrency charted its lowest price tag since January 14th. Is when we started to see that reversal actually to start the year in 2023. So Bitcoin's market cap nosedived well below 400 billion. Its dominance over the altcoins also taken a hit, now dropping to 41.5%. And alts are also bleeding out as well. You could see it was a sea of red yesterday in the cryptocurrency markets across the board. Doesn't matter what you're looking at. There's Tron down 13%, Litecoin down 14%. Aptos down 6%, XLM down 6%, pretty much everything. VeChain down 9%, ApeCoin down 10%. Didn't matter where you were looking, right? Now, a couple's performed a little bit better than others, but overall, the overall market cap slumped. We're sitting at 927 billion right now. So the big question is, what's next? Well, here's the thing. If we can gain some ground here and at least trade sideways ahead of the Jerome Powell big conference, I think that would be good for the overall markets. Maybe we bounce up a little bit. I can see us kind of trading sideways a little bit and kind of waiting to see what happens with the next Fed hike. But I do think there's probably some more downside risk here in the future. That's how I'm playing it. Now, I'm not saying go ahead and put all your shorts in. You've got to do your own due diligence. If you're looking to trade cryptos, by the way, I've got the Bybit link. I myself am looking to put a few more shorts in. I do think we're going to see some lower numbers here, at least in the next month or so. There's just so much fear, so much uncertainty right now. I want to make a couple bets that the market's going to continue to kind of tumble a little bit. Bitcoin sitting at 19,897 right now. A lot of people eyeing some other levels here that we haven't seen for a little while, maybe even coming back down to this 17,000 number, that we saw just before the cryptocurrency market started to reverse. Remember, to start the year, Bitcoin was trading below 17,000, right? So again, you can look at this and see on this trajectory, if we're going to continue to head back down here, we could free fall all the way down here to to 17,000, maybe even 16,800. And I'm kind of eyeing, some of those levels as potential pullback areas, especially with all this volatility. We know that Jerome Powell is probably going to raise interest rate 50 basis points. That's becoming more and more likely. Again, do your own research, not financial advice. We're all trying to navigate these waters, but I'm trying to make some money here in the short term. And I'm also trying to add to my strongest positions now. While markets are down, while crypto is down, while everybody's running for the hills, this is where I like to pounce and where I like to buy. So that's what I'm looking at, guys. Appreciate you guys as always. And again, if you want to use my referral link, if you're looking to trade cryptos, I'm getting better and better. I'm trying to follow along some of the top traders and some of my best friends really who do this for a living. They're using Bybit. It's one of the best platforms out there. It's been around since 2018. And I'm taking a very small amount of risk right now, kind of doing some paper trading and just learning a little bit, and actually made a little bit of money shorting Bitcoin recently. I'm going to try to continue to kind of learn this process. So if you're looking to learn, maybe copy some of the best traders, My Bybit link is down below in the description. Appreciate you guys, as always, for stopping back by the channel, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.